Being a good stock trader isn't about finding what someone else is doing and copying them. It's about finding what works for you. So look, there are a lot of indicators out there. There's MACD, there's Bollinger Bands, there's RSI, there's stochastic RSI. There's all kinds of different charts and indicators and patterns that we can use: wedges, falling wedges, rising wedges, Harami patterns, head and shoulders patterns. There's so much out there. What you have to do as a trader is find what works for you. You can watch other guys on YouTube who say, I do this, I do that. And by the way, it's okay if you are a trader who doesn't like a particular chart or particular pattern. That's what works for you. I don't use all of them. You know, I see a lot of guys on YouTube who are using various techniques that I've never even heard of. And it's not even a concern for me. I don't even really want to learn how to do it. I don't need to. I have what works for me. Bollinger Bands, RSI, and the MACD is what I use. I use other things as well, right? Time and sale is a great feature. I like to look at the news. I like to pay attention to what the Dow is doing. I like to study what the economy is doing. I look at other things like gold and natural gas and oil and see how they're fluctuating. But all of those things don't affect every single stock. They affect some of the stocks. So I look at a variety of things. I do what works for me. There's no right, there's no wrong, and there's definitely no one size fits all. There are various approaches for various traders who like to use various techniques. I have mine, you have yours, and that's okay. I don't think it's cool for a trader to come out and say, what I'm doing is good, you should all do what I'm doing. Try, experiment, try different things. You can look at some stuff. Like for a period of time, that MACD chart didn't really do a whole lot for me. I didn't feel like I needed it. I had my RSI, I had my Bollinger Bands. That was good enough. But I still have it on my screen, and I still refer to it from time to time. It's a good thing to have, because otherwise we're just making guesses. When you use all these indicators, what becomes a random, gee, I hope that stock goes up a little bit, gamble becomes more of an educated guess. If you have a series of indicators that are all saying yes, 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 this one says no, but the others say yes, then you're in good hands and you feel like you can make a more educated guess. It's less of a risk. Still a risk, just less of a risk. The reason why is because all the traders use these same various techniques and indicators and patterns and charts and all that stuff that they use. I said indicators twice. It's like that old analogy where you say to your mom, the kid is doing this at school, I want to do it too. And your mom says, well, if everyone else was jumping off a bridge, would you? And you say, no. When it comes to trading stocks, yes. You would, because you want to follow the trend. You want to follow what all the other traders are doing. If all of the other traders are looking at an RSI and they're saying, hey, this stock looks oversold, I'm going to sell, you want to do that too. You don't want to be the one who says, no, I don't believe that chart, I'm going to hold. Because there's a reason that these patterns and these indicators work. They work because so many people use them. So if I see that a stock is oversold, I'm not the only one who sees it. All the other traders out there see it too. So they're going to start dumping their stock. You should too. That's why we use these indicators to indicate what we should be doing next. I hope you thought this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like, please comment, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, do all the things you're supposed to do. And links are below for TikTok and Instagram. I'm new on TikTok, so go and check that out if you want. And if you don't, that's okay too. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and have a good day. I said that twice too. I'm like having a stroke or something.